doing? And my regular seat. Muito obrigado. Boa noite. So here we are. Back again. Has to be my favorite place. I'm always here. Madeira Airport, and we're here at night time. It's just after 11 p.m. and there's a sign there, Aeroporto da Madeira. Now we got our baggage and we're going to go through to the arrivals lounge and see how many people are waiting for me this time. There's usually a plethora, a crowd of people, and not a single soul because they all came on the wrong day or they got the times mixed up as usual. Now I've got to look for Albie because he's sorting me out with the car hire. But before I do, just have a look at this lovely display because the flower festival begins later on in the week. Oh, there's one of those toboggans which are used in Mont. Here he is. Senor Albie. Tudo bem, and look at this. This is pure class. He has my name there on the placard. Welcome, or welcome to me. It's great to be back, and you remember Alonso there. Right, so take us to the car. I'm thrilled and truly grateful to announce a partnership with rent-a-car company Vanity Blend, who I've dealt with several times in Madeira, and I fully endorse their wonderful all-inclusive service. Use the code RUEPHOTO for your exclusive discount of 10% as a thank you to you for your support. Visit the website rentacarvanity.com in the description below and enter the code into the coupon field. Happy driving! The following day. And guess what? It's now Poncha time, so here it is. I'm going to have my first Poncha for this trip to Madeira. Bottoms up. Saúde. Saúde. My Poncha pesa. So delicious. Thanks to Jeff from Hit the Road Tours for bringing this place behind me, Loja Coral, to the attention because it has loads of goodies. And incidentally, it's just by the apartment I stayed in last year, which is over there. So let's go in and check it out. Right, not many shops where you can drive in, but this is it. It's almost like a mini warehouse with a plethora of wines, etc. But these grab my attention. Now I'm going to get myself one of those t-shirts because they're cute enough. We got sunglasses as well, and Coral glasses, the local brew, which is absolutely delicious in different shapes with the glasses as well. And a Sidra one, and champagne flutes, still has Coral on it. And I love these Brisa. Brisa is my favorite soft drink on the island. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get myself one of those t-shirts. Hopefully they have it in my size. I have to show you this bottle of wine. It's as sexy as hell. So I got myself a t-shirt from the Coral store. This is it at $9.99. Oh, be able to see it better when I model it in person. I better pay for it then. So here are the goodies I bought. I bought a Coral glass. And what's your name?
Leticia.
Leticia. Beautiful. And I bought a Brisa glass as well. So she's going to tally it up when she gets back and tell me how much it is. And also, just to the side of the till, get these cute postcards. So grab one for myself, and if you're lucky, you might get this through your letterbox. and they even give discounts for people who work in these places. 10%, better than nothing. So total comes to $16.12, damn good price. Better swipe my card over it. All in Portuguese, of course. Muito obrigado. Thank you. And check out this menu here. Where else can you get them for this price? Coffee and a Nata included. Not even in Pastel de Belém in Lisbon. So I've ordered the deal for $1.50. So we're gonna have a coffee and a Pastel de Nata. Just look at that line there. Oh, looks too good. Pippa, if you're watching this, I'm in heaven. Okay, so that's my coffee complete. Sorry, bang my bag then against that gentleman. So bring it out here and have it al fresco. Or which seat shall I have? No, I'm going to sit inside and enjoy the ambience of this shop. By the way, this is a new shop. It wasn't here a year ago when I stayed at the apartments there. It's right on the edge of Santa Luisa and the city centre. So I've been looking forward to this since I got here. First taste of Pastel de Nata since I got here. So have a look at that. Oh, even, I love that crispiness to it just by squeezing it. So let's take a bite. The best part, obviously. Yes, perfect crispiness on it. A little bit soft, but that's good. It's lovely and sweet, not overbearingly sweet. It's definitely different from Madeira and the big place in Belém, Pastel de Belém. I'm forgetting things here. That's very pleasant. I like it. It's different from the other two. So it's the third flavour to contend with here. Right, and the coffee. Good and strong. It's just basic coffee. It's not a chinesa or anything similar to that. Just espresso with a bit of light milk, I guess. And that's a brand of coffee. Buen dia, I think it is. Right, you can leave me in peace now. That dutifully hit the spot there, that Pastel de Nata and coffee, but I think I'm eating too much. Well, it is my first full day here because I arrived here last night. Now in Santa Luzia Park, I'm taking you to a few places which is a bit off the tourist route, but I have to show you this. This is probably the only waterfall in Funchal city centre. So I just zoomed into it a little bit more. There's the far side one, and that's the near side one there. So a few interesting artifacts here. Probably going back to, oh, don't know when, but it says Harvey Engineering Co. Limited, Glasgow. You wouldn't expect something Scottish here. So if anyone knows what this is about, leave a comment below. And if Living Walks is watching this, you definitely know what this is about. So you're not to mention anything to my viewers. And through the trees there, you can see this chimney there. We'll get a closer look at it, see what this is about as we go through the garden with some colourful flowers on each side with a few banana trees there. It's a smaller park, much smaller than Santa Catarina Park and the municipal gardens. And this is interesting there. It is water flowing over that wall, if you could see that in greater detail. Don't see many things like this these days. And there's a viewing platform just there. And I wouldn't have thought it, but there's a snack bar just up ahead. They think of everything over here. So I guess if you really wanted to, you could have a poncha there, treat yourself. I'm not having any more. Well, maybe later on in the evening. It's still early. It's just after 6 p.m. anyway. So here's a close-up of the chimney. I'm not too sure about it. So if I find any information about it, I shall post it in the description below. Can you hear the frogs in the background there? That is actually a pond there, covered with water weeds. That's the chimney there. And this is what I thought was the viewing platform. So from here, you can actually see that wall with the water flowing over it, with another pond below, and the view of Santa Luzia Park in all its splendor and glory. So it's been absolutely a chill day for me, wandering down Avenida Arriaga. You can see the stalls on either side of the road or the footpath, and they're all setting up for the flower festival. Oh, look at some lovely artwork there on one of these stalls, but it's not actually painted, it's been stapled on. They're cheating, those naughty people, but they're doing a good job nonetheless. They're making it look bright and cheerful. I wonder if these huts are going to have the same treatment. We'll see. We will call back here again later on in the week, because I love this flower festival. I'm back here again for the third time. I was here last year and the year before around this time. And there's some lovely jazz music playing in the background. Someone has been messaging me, that's what those beeps are. Was that you, Morgan? Gonna blame me for interrupting my vlog. Oh, I love that sound here. That guy strumming his guitar in that soothing fashion. Let's get closer. So I had a rather enjoyable afternoon in the city centre of Funchal, going into the early evening. Now I'm at Praia Formosa. I'm recording for my other YouTube channel, which is Rue Still Journeys. I'm going to show you the setup in a moment, but when we go up to it, got to be very quiet because I have a microphone set up, or rather two microphones set up on each side, one over there and one over there, just to get the stereo sound effect. So here it is, right in front there, so I've got to be quiet. So just moving away from the setup there, and I've almost forgot, but Alonso's here with me again. He goes everywhere I go. You can't go anywhere without running into an Alonso somewhere on this planet. Right, you'll see the end result on my other YouTube channel, which is Rue Still Journeys, and I'll link it below.
Explica aí. mais bem comigo. Estás nervoso, velho? Já anda temos comigo que não conheço.
Tem uma Madalena aqui que eu disse, que ele é cambado. É da Funchal. E ele diz que ele é esse prémio. Andou todo com guarda de festas a aprender.
Eu tenho daqui, com a banda.
Não, estás com a baia, mas estás com o...
O Abeira também aprende, a gente é casado que também aprende valores.
Já disse, eu tu não vais me aprender na pausa assim como é que me chatei-me.
A mulher
Não
aqui
me aprende, não só te aprende, tua mulher é que me
é.
aprende.
Exatamente.
E porta bem que andas a tratar ela mal. E eu porque eu sei, estás a ver? Que eu sei.
Estou a botar, não é?
Está mais ou menos.